Do it. Yeah. And
Okay, Scott, we have your belch.
Okay.
Yep.
Run number 3 of the day.
Yep.
Whenever you're ready, we're ready.
So we got more robots around the back. The pit area is around the back. Hey, you should have brought your tongue out.
I looked at stuff like leads and robots, so as soon as my husband got home, I left. Trying to get some company that they've got a competition in Boston coming up in May.
Oh, wow. Wow. I know how that works. We've all been like heads down and for the last month.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Yeah, they're kind of infectious. Really drastic. Yeah, he just only managed to take it over the trail.
He's inside the circle
It's
for
one
the first
point.
point, and he stopped for the second point. Now it's
Here it
seeking,
comes from my red shirt.
Wearing red.
seeking the cone. Turn it to the right, buddy. Going the wrong way.
Never mind the guy in the red shirt.
He's gonna go find the sun. All right, found it.
That looks positive.
All right, that's
Oh,
3 points.
3 points with the ball on top.
That should be 6 points as much as I had delivered.
One point, yellow oh yeah, he's got his waypoints a little bit off, so he's not quite making it. Anyway, what is it? I can't think of
All right, it's across the line.
No hesitation.
4 points.
Well, it paused there when it saw the cone. It was slowing down.
5 points touching and 6 points for the stop.
Delay. Scott, it may have paused a little bit, but it was just a little sigh kind of a pause. Yeah.
Stop here in a second, turn right.
I thought
Whoa,
Uh-oh. Oh, no
it
problem.
doesn't care.
Show off.
That ain't no obstacle.
It's like the honey badger. You don't care.
Uh-oh. Hmm? Got enough ground clearance.
7 points.
It's going after the shoelaces.
Oh no.
See, now it thinks it touched the cone.
I'm all loaded
Oh,
with
no.
orange.
Because of Carl's orange shoelaces.
That's,
Oh, no, really?
that's, oh man.
Oh, that blows.
I tried to stay.
Now, once it sees orange, it says, I got you.
Oh man.
Oh,
Any kind of
Thanks,
orange.
thanks a lot, Carl.
Oh.
I had no idea.
Okay. What do you
Oh
got?
man. And you were on your way.
Is that interference?
That's interference.
Interference.
He should get to do it again.